What's up everyone, this is a continuation to my introduction. I'm gonna go through today an unboxing as well. So yeah, on to it. First thing I bought was a self-cut system. I thought it was self-cut, but it says self-style. Here we go. At some point I'll mount it on the back of this wall. Go here somehow. A little closer this way, I suppose. Yep. And I'll cut my hair. The next thing I got, kind of open these already a little bit. QCP brush. This is a medium brush. The next one I got is a soft brush, and that's pretty. It's all shiny and glossy and whatnot. You can hear the difference in the bristles. It's really that soft. The next thing, we shall see what is this? Ooh, this is a Diane 8119. Oh, not bad. I guess this is a medium. Medium soft, soft medium. I don't know. Got me some Murrays. Next, we have some combs. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Okay. Got here a BaBylissPRO Barberology case for their clipper. Next, comb set. Yes, because I'm gonna need that. These are actually really sexy. They're like heavy and everything. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is nice. It's like metal stuff. Like ding 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 ding. I think that was a good investment. Some people might say no. Who cares? I like it. And that's all that matters. Lastly, I have the cordless Wahl Senior. I figured that since I'm learning, I don't want any wires in my way. So this is the first time that I will ever be holding a clipper. All right, this looks kind of dope. First time holding some clippers. Oh, it's already got some oil on it. At least this is oily. This is gonna be the side because I'm ready. So it should be fun. If not fun, at least entertaining for you. Charger. All right. More combs. Gotta love combs. Some cooking oil and brush. Yeah. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and turn those notifications on to see the next time that I post a video. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram or Surge, and I will talk to you guys later.